In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix X if it's not working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if posts aren't loading or messages aren't working, what you need to do is go ahead and clear the app cache. To do this, go ahead and back out of the app itself. If you're on an Android, go to Settings, Apps, X, Storage, and then Clear Cache. If you're on an iPhone, it's pretty much the exact same thing. Settings, but go ahead and go into General. Once you're in General, go to Storage, and then find X on here. You could just search for it just by hitting X. Select it, hit offload app, and that'll go ahead and allow you to reinstall it. Reinstall it, and that'll fix it. If it's still not working, you need to go to something like down detector, right? And just check to see if X is down. If there's a big spike, that means X is down. In that case, you just got to wait until it is back up. But that is the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.